This video guides you through the process of completing a UT1 and UT2 prior period adjustment using a CSV template. How to complete a UT1 or UT2 PPA via CSV file. CSV stands for comma separated values. It is a file format used to store data. Microsoft Excel allows you to save your file in a CSV format. It is the only file format you can use to upload UT1, UT2, and or UT3 reports to the Compass portal. In the event a reporter needs to change a previously submitted UT1 or UT2 record with a status of sent, the reporter can submit reversal and rebook transactions. Reporters can now submit PPAs via CSV upload. Please follow these guidelines to create your CSV file. Row 1 in the template identifies to which Compass grid the field columns below correspond. For example, columns C and D are in the Compass header grid, E through T are in the Compass property grid, U through Y are in the Compass tracked grid, Z through AC are in the Compass disposition grid, and AD through AF are in the Compass purchaser grid. Row 2 in the template contains the names of the Compass fields. Note that there is only one CSV template used to upload both UT1 and UT2 reports. In column A, enter the transaction type. A transaction is either the original entry or a rebook entry. Enter O for original or R for rebook. Note that it is not necessary to include a reversal record in the CSV for a PPA. Compass recognizes the R type as a rebook and automatically creates a reversal transaction of the original entry, so the reporter need only submit the amended record as a normal CSV upload as an R type. When submitting a rebook, you only need to specify the grids you want to make adjustments to. For example, if you only want to correct the purchaser, then you only need to include a row specifying the purchaser grid. All other grids would be duplicated from the original transaction. In column B, enter the grid name to specify which grid the row of values in each field should be applied to. Enter prop for property, disp for disposition, tract for tract, and or perch for purchaser. When specifying grid name for the row of data, only populate appropriate fields for the property combo in the given record type. Enter the product type in column C as either oil or gas. Enter the production date in column D. Note that 02/2014 and 2/2014 for February 2014 are both correct. Enter the RRC type in column E. This is not the product type which you are reporting. This is the Railroad Commission's designation of the well type as either oil or gas. Enter O for oil or G for gas. Enter the RRC district code in column F. Enter the RRC or the permit number in column G. The permit number is used until the RRC number is assigned. Once the RRC number is assigned, you must notify University Lands and begin reporting with the RRC number. If you need to report a prior period adjustment to a production period before the RRC number was assigned, the rebook entry in the CSV must align with the initial reporting. For example, if you reported a production month under a specific permit number originally, you must report the rebook under that same permit number. Once an RRC number is assigned, all reporting and PPAs from that production month forward will use the RRC number. Enter the disposition code in column Z. It is not necessary to enter the disposition description. In column AD, report if the purchaser and payer are affiliated counterparties. Enter Y for yes and N for no. Enter the purchaser's RRC number in column AE and the payer's RRC number in column AF. Note that it's not necessary to enter the leading zeros of the RRC number. Enter the remaining applicable fields, depending on if the property has tracks, additional dispositions, and is an oil property or a gas property. Finally, proceed to save, upload, and send the file as you would a normal CSV. This concludes the how to complete a UT1 or UT2 PPA by a CSV. Should you need additional assistance, please contact your University Lands analyst.